Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to change your taskbar transparency and pretty much make your taskbar, which is right over here on the bottom, transparent. So go ahead and open up your settings. If you don't have the shortcut, just click on here and then just press on settings. In here, guys, navigate to personalization. And after that, navigate to colors. And in here, guys, you're just looking to find one setting, which is this one right over here. Second one from the top, transparency effects. In my case, it's already enabled, so this pretty much lets windows and surfaces appear translucent. So I pretty much have that cool effect of transparency, like a glossy effect, which is pretty cool, I think, as well. Yeah, for example, if I move certain objects, for example, right, and they get through the taskbar, you will see that they will be seen through the taskbar. It's pretty cool. So just make sure to enable it through this button right over here, transparency effects. You're done and good to go. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.